Okay, so here's the challenge. I'm going to try to do the Rubik's Cube, and at the same time I'm going to try to recite the first 100 digits of pi, and I'm going to try to do it during the Phil Collins song, In the Air Tonight, and I'm going to try to finish it before the the part where everybody plays air drums, do 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 do, the part I'm talking about. So I might not be able to make it before that drum part because it's kind of hard, but let's see if I can do it, and I'll start the song, and here we go. Three, 1, 4, 1, 5, 9, 2, 6, 5, 3, 5, 8, 9, 7, 9, 3, 2, 3, 8, 4, 6, 2, 6, 4, 3, 3, 8, 3, 2, 7, 9, 5, 0, 2, 8, 8, 4, 1, 9, 7, 1, 6, 9, 3, 9, 9, 3, 7, 5, 1, 0, 5, 8, 2, 0, 9, 7, 4, 9, 4, 4, 5, 9, 2, 3, 0, 7, 8, 1, 6, 4, 0, 6, 2, 8, 6, 2, 0, 8, 9, 9, 8, 6, 2, 8, 0, 4, no, 3, 4, 8, 2, 5, 3, 4, 2, 1, 1, 7, 0, 6, 7, 9.